we have done a project in which we had to plant a few radishes in 2 different glasses that were filled with cotton.
First, we added some radishes to the cotton in the glasses. Then we watered the 2 glasses, one with plain water and the other one with distilled water.
With the help of our teacher, we have recorded the process of growth of radish sprouts.
We have seen that radishes in plain water grow faster than radishes in distilled water, probably due to the lack of ions in the distilled water.